Hi, welcome back. Well, the Senior Center is located on the corner of Moulton and Santa Maria Avenue, and they have tons of different things going on. Plus, they're in need of some volunteers. So today we have Shirley Witt and also Cherie Unholtz with us, who are going to tell us a little bit about some of the programs and also what they can do about being a volunteer. Wonderful. Well, welcome, ladies. Appreciate you both being here.
Thanks for having
me. We'll start with you today. Tell us a little bit about the volunteer program and what's needed right now.
We're always recruiting for volunteers, having them come down, help us out at the center. We're looking for cashiers right now. Okay. Those are seniors or anyone who wants to volunteer to come and sit and help our seniors check in for our lunch program there at the center.
Okay.
We're always looking for Meals on Wheels volunteers, always. Right. We're always looking for people who can give just a couple of hours once a week to come in and deliver meals to homebound seniors.
So let's talk a little bit about the two jobs you just mentioned. So a cashier, so is there any previous experience needed for a cashier?
No, not really. Just come down, fill out an application, come sit down with one of us, we'll chit chat with you. All of our volunteer positions offer training, so
oh, good.
Yes, we will train you on what you need to do.
As long as you have a nice smile, that's the requirement.
Yes.
Right, well I would imagine, you know, you want a happy face
Right.
to come to, especially when it's lunch.
Exactly.
Right, you want to greet them. Okay,
Yes.
Excellent. So that's
Right.
How many hours a day would you say?
It's usually about 10:30 to 12.
Okay, so not too long.
Just a couple, yeah.
All right, and what was some of the other positions you said you needed?
We're looking for people to come sit at our front desk in the afternoon, so
Okay.
12:30 to 3:30ish, and just welcome the seniors who are coming in.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes that's the only person they talk to that day, so we want to offer a nice welcoming, hi, how are you doing today?
Right.
And then just answer any questions the seniors might have, and then transfer phones always.
Oh,
answer
good.
the phone.
Well,
transfer
sometimes
calls.
transferring calls can be very tricky, so hopefully you train them on that.
I'm still learning.
Sometimes those systems can be tricky.
Right.
Now, Meals on Wheels is one of your most popular programs, and I know we've spoken about that before.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
As a volunteer, what can they expect to do for that particular program?
You come in, we have route sheets available, and you'll know what route you're going to go on that day. So you just grab your bags, pack up your car, and take your route sheet and go out and
So
deliver.
they have to have a car?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes,
okay.
you do. Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Good.
Yeah.
And then they would expect to do that how many hours a day?
Our delivery time's between 10 and 12.
Okay.
So, but it never really takes that long, unless you want to extend it a little bit more and spend a little bit more time with each client. It shouldn't take you the full 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good. Yeah. So volunteering, we'll if you want to volunteer, you can always call the number, which is the 949-380-0155.
Yes.
Although they can also go to the website too, and we'll show the website
right.
later after this. Shirley, tell me a little bit about what you have going on, classes and other fun things.
The center is very, very small. We're a small center, but we're a ma and pa, a place for seniors to come. It's a safe haven.
Right.
And we have lots of classes. We couldn't do it without our army of volunteers to help us. We have a great meals. We have the largest Meals on Wheels program in South Orange County.
Right.
So it takes an army to help us run what we're doing. But we offer a variety of classes. We have a lot of Saddleback College classes. We have a lot of individual classes. The one class that has turned out to be very popular is everything you want to know about wills and trusts.
Oh,
so sometimes maybe we have done our will and trust years and years ago, and you don't realize that you need to update it, you need to get some more information, and we've had a lot of seniors that come in and have some questions about that. So we're going to have Martha Farrington, who works for AgeWell Senior Services as our fund developer, and she's going to talk on March 20th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on wills and trusts. What you need to know, what kind of person needs to be in charge of my wills or trusts? Should I have a family member? So all the things that you really and truly should know about executing your wills and your trusts.
And there's laws too that go into place every year about what happens in possibly probate or how to avoid
absolutely,
probate. Right?
Absolutely. And if you don't have it set up correctly, or let's say your will was done 20 years ago and you haven't updated it, you could be in a lot of trouble if something happens to you. So
Right.
this is really, really a good information educational program, and again, that's on March 20th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Great.
We have a variety of classes from the Alzheimer's about, dementia 101. Our goal and our mission is to educate.
Right.
So we bring in people from the community who we trust and we have vetted, who will talk about the things that are of interest to the seniors, anywhere from heart health to and we saw the doctor on earlier.
Right.
Absolutely. And our focus this year is on balance, because as we get older, our balance changes, which people don't realize. It has a lot to do with, falling and things like that. So we have balance classes, and we have memory classes too.
Okay.
So that is something that's really, really important to us. But what I suggest is everybody come in and
We have our
pick
green,
up
our green folder. And where do they pick this up?
Pick this up at the Senior Center.
Okay.
This has all the classes in
tons
it
of
for the
stuff.
month, all the lectures that we have.
Calendar.
It has our menu in there.
Okay.
And all the parties that we have coming up. For instance, Friday is not Golden Globes, but
Oscar party.
Oscar party,
We're having
right,
an Oscar
right.
party on Friday. So we're going to have a singer come in and do all the old songs from the past Oscar-winning movies. And so it's just a fun place to come, meet friends, bring your friends. We've had a lot of relationships happen through the Senior Center,
Oh, my.
and some dating. We've even had some weddings. We've had a couple weddings at the Senior Center
Okay.
of people who met there. So it's just a comfortable place to have a nice meal, a cup of coffee, meet new people. So it's a safe haven.
And like you said, there's lots of things to do there,
Yes.
and then of course the volunteers can go there
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and tell them the website is myagewell.com. Is that correct?
.org.
Oh, .org. Sorry.
.org, yes.
So that way they can go on the
Right.
website and they can see all the things that you provide,
Right.
or they could call, as we
Right.
mentioned.
We're a
before.
great resource for the seniors, whatever your needs are.
Right.
If the staff can't help you, we will find somebody who can.
Excellent. Well, I'm really happy to have you both. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
And the Senior Center is located, again, as I mentioned, right around the corner here
Right
on
down the street.
Moulton and Santa Maria Avenue. So take a look at their website and see all the great activities. We'll be right back
Absolutely.
after this.